A time will come when the Fulani man will become the governor of Enugu State in future. A time will come when the governor of Enugu State will be a Fulani man. Mark my word and keep this video to our children's children. If we did not do what we're supposed to do, time will come when Enugu State governor will be a Fulani man. Time will come when there will be a Muslim in Enugu State. Time will come. Keep this video to our children's children. Keep this video to our children's children. A time will come when a Fulani man will become the governor of Enugu State if we did not rise up to defend our land. They want to lay the foundation. They want to start the leather foundation. And that is what the governor of Enugu State is doing in Enugu State right now as I'm talking to you. He wants to give Fulani land in Enugu State. They want to give the land in Enugu State. If you have anybody in Enugu State, call them on phone and ask about what I'm telling you right now. Time will come when you will see Muslim in Anambra State. Time will come when Fulani man will become the governor of Anambra State. A time will come when Fulani man will become the governor of Imo State. Our children will suffer this. But I don't know why we keep silent. I don't know why we keep silent. I have put the governor of Enugu State, the way he want to give Luga in Enugu State, and all the content creators on social media are busy fighting themselves on social media. They are busy talking what did not make sense on social media. And this man called Governor Peter Oba or something like that, is doing Luga in Enugu State, and all the Igbos, all of them kept silent. Mark my word today, if they succeed by giving Fulani land in Enugu State, a time will come, Muslim in Enugu State. The Muslim man will become the governor of Enugu State. Mark my word. And what they want is a Nukwana, and I believe when they will get that land they are looking for, when they will get it, they will call their people, they will occupy that place. They will name it, they will name their village, they will give it a name, Fabayafa, and they will have their own king in that particular place, and they will become, and some of the Fulanis will join Enugu politics. They will join to politicians. In next 50 years, 70 years, 100 years, you will see that the Fulani man will become the governor of Enugu State. They will do it because they have power. Even though if Fulani man come out to contest as a governor of Enugu State, if he lose the election, they will call him as a winner who win the governor of Imo State. Or the governor of Igbo State. Even this governor that you are seeing here, are you sure that he's the one that won this Enugu State governor election? Even if Fulani man do not win as a governor of Enugu State, they will put it on the throne because they have power. They are in the power. They are the control of Asrock. They are control Nigeria. Britain have hand over the key of Nigeria to them. They control everything we are seeing in this country called Nigeria. And we Igbos, we saw the way this man planning to Islamize this nation, and we keep quiet. All the ministers of God in Igbo land, all of them keep silent. Let all the ministers of God in Igbo land rise up. Let all the ministers of God in Igbo land rise up. All the ministers of God, let us rise up, because things are spoiling in Enugu State. Luga is going on in Enugu State as I'm talking to you right now. Luga is going on in Enugu State as I'm talking to you right now. Let all the ministers of God, Umuabai, Ebukobi, Pastor Paul Nwachukwu, Pastor Jelly Eze, all the pastors, all the reverend fathers, all the bishop in Igbo land, is the time that you people will rise up to stop governor of Enugu State for this evil he want to do in Enugu State. Let's rise up to defend our land, because our children will suffer it. Our children will suffer this. Our children will suffer this. Our children will suffer this. Our children will suffer this in future if time do not take. Obonaya standing up to defend our land, our children will suffer this. They will not Islamite this nation. They will not Islamite this nation. God will help us and God will protect the Igbos. Our own eyes, we are seeing it happening right now. This is one of the reasons they don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is one of the reasons, because they have their plan. Because if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is outside, Nnamdi Kanu will stood up, he will stand up against this evil governor of Enugu State is doing in Enugu State. Nnamdi Kanu will stand up to condemn it. Hey, what is happening to all the Igbos? What is happening to Igbos? What is happening to Igbos? With our eyes, we are seeing it happening. Islamization has started in Enugu State. They want to lay the foundation so that they will kick up their mission in Enugu State, in Igbo land. And when they will occupy in Enugu State, they will have their market, they will have their city, their church, their mosques will be there. Their market will be there. Their children, the Fulani children will be marrying our Igbo children. They will mix us together. They want to mix us together. They want to mix us together. Because they are in our own land. They have come occupy in Igbo land. This one not be saying you go enter transport, they go Yoruba land, they go outside. No, you can try and enter Fulani state in your village. And they have joined us together. Their children will start marrying our children. They have joined us together. As they join us together, in future, one Fulani man will become the governor of Enugu State. Not only in Enugu State, Imo State, Abia, Ebonyi State, Anambra State. They are planning those things. They are working it hard to fulfill the assignment. And it's the time that all the Igbos will rise up. I'm not happy for what I'm seeing going on in Igbo land. I'm not happy. I'm not really happy for what is happening in Igbo land. And I'm not happy why Igbos is one of the confused tribe on when this country called Nigeria. Igbos is one of the tribe on where Igbo is one of the confused tribe in this time around, this point of time. How many Igbo content creator is crying about this that I'm saying? Nobody. How many Igbo bloggers are bringing this thing online, calling all the Igbos, calling the attention to Enugu State? How many Igbos content creators? How many of them? How many Igbos bloggers? They put this online now. Pay attention. All the pastors, all the Igbos. Pay attention. How through Enugu State? Can have if come from Enugu State na Chime? Nobody. They are all there fighting themselves, looking for Facebook money, and the Fulanis are laying their foundation in Enugu State to kick off their mission. Do you think that when they will succeed, occupy in Enugu State, who do you think that will chase them out from that place? Who do you think that will chase them out from that place? When the federal government will bring ammunition, keep that place, who are you to go that place? Do you know the weapon hanging in that community that anybody will not attack them? Can you attack army headquarters? It's the time that we stand up to say no to evil. It's the time that we stand up. Yes, I know that the governor of Enugu State there so many places that he want to be a state. Yes, but there are particular places he's want to bring out of Fulanis, and he's working it out. Can't you see my previous video? Can't you see that our mothers came out to do protests that they don't need Luga in their village because they have known what the governor of Enugu State is planning to do in their community, in their village? It's the time that all the Igbos will rise up. It's the time that all the Igbos will rise up to say no to this evil that governor of Enugu State is about to do and is planning to do in Enugu State. It's the time that all the Igbos will stand up and say no to evil. I will stop this message here, but as you listen to this message, make sure that you share this message. Make sure that you share this message, because when these people, when they will fulfill their assignment, in Igbo land, then we join us together. They have mixed us together. Fulanis has come and conquer. They have come and take over in Igbo land. As they have occupied in Igbo land, they have joined us together. As they have joined us together, we have now become one. We cannot separate ourselves from Nigeria again. We cannot separate ourselves from Nigeria again. There is nothing like Biafra again. They want to kill that name called Biafra. They want to kill that name called Biafra. They don't want us to separate again. And they have their second mission is for them to Islamize this nation, Igbo land. They want to Islamize it, but they are using gradually to move on. But they want to lay the foundation. Their foundation they want to lay is by giving them land. When they will succeed having that land, now they have laid the foundation. They will kick off their mission. And when they will kick off their mission, Igbo cannot separate themselves out from Nigeria again. We cannot separate ourselves again. We will separate ourselves when our enemy is among us, when they have joined us together, when our enemy have become the governor of Igbo land. Can we separate ourselves from this country? We cannot separate ourselves. So this is the time that all the Igbos will rise up to say no to any chance in Igbo land that is planning to give Fulani land in Igbo land. It's the time that we rise up. Help me to share this video, because I don't know what is happening to our Igbo brothers and sisters. I've been crying this online, but some of the bloggers, some of them keep quiet. They are not talking, because I have problem with my account, so my video will not be going viral for now. So if you are listening to this video, make sure you share this video so that others will hear what is happening in Enugu State. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Shalom.